Right now, people have link relating to this online money, and then let's look at one thing here. Before you register any link, this is what you should do. So let's look at this link that was sent to me by one of my subscribers. So if you want to get in touch with me, just check below, and then I have the Telegram link, and then you join, and then you also get in touch with me. So I have the screen here so that you'll be able to know what I'm doing right here on this phone. So I have this link here, and then I want to show you what you should do before you register this link on the screen. So let's tap on the link that was sent to me by one of my subscribers. So right now you can see a withdrawal proof right here, but let's tap on link and then to check it out. So when you tap on the link, it will bring you here, and then this is what you're going to do. You're not going to register the link. So with this online money site, I open it with a Chrome browser. Okay, Chrome browser. So when you come here, you can see from the top right here we have something like a padlock right here. Yes, this one. I hope you can see on the screen. So you can see this one right here. This is what you're going to do. Just tap on the link, and then it will give you a pop-up, and then with this pop-up, just tap on connection is secure. Okay, just tap on that, and then when you tap on it, you will see this pop-up, and then with this pop-up, go to certificate information. Go to certificate information, and you will see a lot of information about the site, but we are most interested in the time that this site was created. Okay, and then you can see the validity period. Okay, so this site is valid until June 24th 2023. So this site was created in 25th June 2022. So this site is like about a month now. Okay, and then the reason why we are getting to know when this site was created is because we want to know the time that this site came into existence, because most of these online money sites comes and then go. Okay, it doesn't stay for longer time. They mostly last for like 2 or 3 months, or 4 or 5, mostly 6 months, and then they will be gone out of the system. So if you study the trend, and then you know when this site came into existence, you'll be able to adjust yourself to know that this site that I'm going for, it has been 4 months, or 4 months now, or 3 months now. So I'll know how I can just go into it and then invest and then earn some money. So if you don't understand this online money, let me explain to you in 30 seconds. So this online money site is just like a normal site that has been opened, just like the one that I show you. And then with this site, you just invest with any amount that you have, and then when you invest in the amount, you earn money daily. Okay, daily, and then you can withdraw this money anytime that you think the money is okay for you to withdraw. And then when you withdraw, it will come through the same way you send the money on the website. So it will just come to your account, whether your bank account, Momo account, PayPal account, any account that you use to do the investment. That is the same way the money will come to your account, and then it's a real cash that we are talking about. So check in the comment section. I have 2 links there. You can also register and then try to earn money from it. But let's continue with what you should do before you register any link. So first, you have to know when the site was created, so that you know how you can go about the site, so that if the site has listed for like 4 months or 5 months, don't try to invest. But for 1 or 2 months or 3 months, I think it's okay for you to register the link. So this is what you should know before you register the link. So another thing you should know before you register any online money site is you should know the minimum withdrawal. Okay, the minimum withdrawal should always be below 100 cedis, or let's say below $10. Okay, so make sure the minimum withdrawal is within this range, so that you can withdraw your money at any time. Okay, so this is what you should know before you register any online money site. Then let's look at how you can become successful on this online money site. So if you haven't subscribed to this channel, subscribe to this channel for more videos from this channel, and then don't forget to like this video for me. Let's continue with it. So for you to be successful, first you have to register the site. That's the first step that you have to take. And then when you register the site, the second thing that you should know is that you should also know the minimum withdrawal. So when you know the minimum withdrawal, then it will link you to the third thing that I'm going to talk about. That's investing so much. So you invest according to the minimum withdrawal. So let's say the minimum withdrawal is 50 cedis or 100 cedis, and then you want to invest to a way that you will get 100 cedis in 2 days or 3 days, or even a day. So it depends on how much you invest. So investing so much will help you hit the minimum withdrawal, so that always, or 2 or 3 days, you'll be cashing out from the site. because one of the mistakes that people make is they keep on keeping their money on the site. They just accumulate money on the site, and then that's not the best way. If you want to be successful, never accumulate money on the site. Just withdraw whenever it hits the minimum withdrawal. Hope you understand. Just withdraw whenever it hits the minimum withdrawal. For you to keep the money on the site is not the best, because these sites are sometimes and mostly regulated by scammers. So when your money is gone, you have no one to question. And the fourth thing I want to show you is for you to invite your friends, and then whether your family or anyone that you can invite them, and then also explain to them that this is how the site is. Let them know what online money is. If they have no, like, you can send this video to them to also watch to understand one or two things. So let them know what they are doing, and then if they understand what they are doing, it will show you that they will even invest bigger than yours. And then when they invest bigger than yours, you get profit from their investment, and then that's a very great thing, and then that also help you reach the minimum withdrawal. Okay, so you have to subscribe to this channel for more videos, and then don't forget to like the video for more videos from this channel. See you in the next one. Here's the stick.